Welcome back to Flowworks. Today we are going to be doing a massive abstract cityscape. So we've got a large canvas laid out in front of us. I think it's about 32 by 24. So it's the biggest piece we've done so far. How are you enjoying the videos? Are you liking what we are creating here on Flowworks? I hope you are. So if you are, give me a big thumbs up on this video. I've taped in with some masking tape, but it's like a special masking tape. It's a painter's masking tape. It looks like that. So in order for me to get a really thin line from this masking tape, I taped a big section of tape on some foamex board, and with a ruler I just cut a nice straight edge, nice little thin sliver all the way along that, and then peeled it off of that. Marked up on the canvas my horizon line, so I just took that with a measurement. Don't have your horizon dead center, otherwise it's a bit wacky. So I'm going to have more sky than I am foreground. Does that make sense? I think it makes sense. I've pre-painted the canvas in this duck egg blue. Got some normal white that's mixed up, ready to go. Got some real sort of dark grey blue, another really dark blue, another metallic gold we've got going on again. My favourite colour of them all, ocean blue. Today we're going to be a little bit more loud. We got some bright orange. We're going to layer our paint out, and I'm going to use these to scrape up, scrape down. Hopefully we're going to end up with a cityscape that you'll want to hang on your wall. Oh, just to point out, guys, you're probably thinking, what is this behind me? If you've been watching my previous videos, you'll know that my daughter, she's got a YouTube channel. She's called The Dilly Dally Show, Little Legs. Check her out if you want. Let's stop talking and start pouring. Right, I just got to go under here and turn the cameras off again. Okay, so here we go again. Okay, my thought process is dark colours at the bottom, getting lighter, and then we're going to scrape these out, see what we're left with. I'm just going to try and pour as best as I can along this line. It doesn't have to be spot on, it's just trying to get across that line, like so. Next we're going to go in with this, and what I'm going to try and do, because I want to sort of represent buildings, I'm going to sort of leave gaps here and there, if I can. I've no idea what this is going to look like. Never done this ever before. Okay, so with the bottom one, I'm just going to do smaller dabs.
You always find me here when the world thinks that I've disappeared. You know just where to look. You know just where to look. And you have a heart of gold, and I look forward to growing old.
Okay, let's see how this goes. So I'm just going to scrape upwards from here. Let's go. Try and be really light with your scraping.
When I look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say I do. I do, I do, I do, I do.
Maybe that's a big one that just goes all the way up.
I do, I do, I do. And I'll plant a garden in the summertime and pick you flowers in the rain or shine, just because I can, or just because I can. The moon awaits the night.
Issues are too much paint. I wanted this quite textured looking. It's textured, There's way too much paint. I'm just gonna panic. You should never panic. But I am panicking.
I do.
Absolutely loving the colours. Just need to probably fix a bit down here. Just using a clean scraper just to go across.
Oh, I do. Too rich and too poor. Oh, my heart is yours. To sickness and health. Oh, I do. The moon awaits the night. The sun awaits the day, and I'll await the time when I look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say.
The white works really well with the duck egg blue. I love the duck egg blue. I love this real light blue. The orange just makes it pop. We've got the gold in there, we've got some cells even going on. We've got the reflection down below, which I think adds to it. Got the tails that go up the top. I think that's great. I'm going to give it one more last blast. It's the following morning, the painting's dried overnight. After I finished late last night, I kept scraping away the line to pull that paint away from the line and pull it that way. So I'd done that probably about 30 times. So big moment in truth, we're gonna take off this tape, have a look at our line and make a decision from there. So there is my non-existent line. The tape leaked. So paint got underneath the tape. Didn't really work that well. It was just too much paint on there. So we're going to wait for this painting to fully dry. I'm then going to go in with some more paint, create our buildings, smash them in. The reflections I'm absolutely happy with. So once those buildings are in, I think this piece is going to be. So where I see my reflection, I see in my head a building. So we're just going to layer this in. Across. So I've gone in with some blue, then going in with some of that copper. That's really nice. Let's start by just spreading that out if we can upwards. So yeah, maybe this building, he lives about there. Side to it. Try and keep that as straight as possible. And if we go in, it's got a bit of three-dimensional to this building. There it goes all the way down. Pick up on that blue there. Putting that across the canvas. There, he's happy. He is happy. That's one happy building. Maybe there's part of a building there. Okay, that's cool. going to leave this one here. It's been a long video. To tell you the honest truth, I don't really like it. I was trying to get the strokes right with these, but it's not really working. So this, I'm going to end here and say I don't think this one's worked. Comment down below your thoughts on this painting. I think I might have preferred it before I started trying to put in some buildings. So until next time, I will catch you in the next Flowworks, where we will try and redeem ourselves and come up with something a little bit like, ooh, that's the one.